Mr. Abhaya Kumar, CEO and MD of the company, joins us on the phone line, to talk a little bit more about this. So thanks very much. Clearly, the market's a little bit jittery with regards to this USFDA warning that you've got. A stock sold off almost 13% in 2 days. You want to talk a little bit about this in terms of the implications?
Good morning. Viewers, I can confirm that there is no warning letter from USFDA. And I don't know where these rumors have started. We have had a recent inspection of USFDA for our research and development, and we have been cleared by the USFDA too. So there's no point. I don't see any reason why we should get a USFDA warning for any of our facilities. So there's no truth in any of these rumors.
So this Incivic drug is, that's not under this canon, it's absolutely safe because, it says that it's probably, it's given a term such that it indicates it could have some skin injuries going if at all used. So you're saying you're completely denying it?
We have also read about the problem Vertex have had with one patient, but these are all the internet news which we also read. But as our policy, we do not talk about our customers. And I can confirm that our UK operations are going strong, and in the years to come, we have a lot of new customers signing up for our products there in the cramps business. We have a robust plan for 13-14 and 14-15. So we don't see any decline in profits, but except that this year there may be some slippage on the numbers. But the target we have kept for ourselves for 2,000 crores for 14-15, we are on target.
Could you talk a little bit more in particular with regard, because Incivic for you is one of the biggest drugs in the API segment. I mean, everything's okay there in terms of overall growth prospects as well?
See, Incivic is something which we also read it in the newspaper about the patient, one patient dying of the Incivic trials. But the Incivic, I believe, is getting challenges from the other molecules which are non-interferon free. Which are interferon free. And this is going to be, in a drug industry and a pharma industry, obsolescence is the key word. So obsolescence on a yearly basis is very, very common. So I don't foresee, people who understand pharma industry will be rattled by any of these news.
Could you talk a little bit more? Since now you've clarified that you've not got any USFDA warning and the Incivic drug is, as it was and completely safe and just a one-off incident, and these are reports that you've been reading on the news. Overall, business now, and in terms of the pipeline, the API pipeline that you have now, is it stronger?
Yes, we are filing 8 drug master files this year, and we'll continue to file more than 8 to 10 drug master files every year. We are filing more than 8 ANDAs this year. So it shows that the pipeline is becoming more and more robust. For the UK operations, we have a contract signed with one of the major pharma companies to supply one of the key intermediates for their billion-dollar drug. Similarly, we have also signed up a contract with a multinational company for supplying of one of their ARVs from our UK unit. Even in India, we have a strong pipeline, and at least we see 3 new APIs, generic APIs, taking leading position in the market. We have got a lot of good indications from the customers. Customers are very happy with the quality and the pricing, and we see a very huge growth in 13-14.
Could you talk a little bit more in terms of targets for FY13?
FY13, we will be with a consolidated EBITDA of more than 150 crores. And for 13-14, we expect it to grow by at least around 30 to 40% growth in 13-14. 12-13 will be probably we'll see a total growth of only 10% because we have slipped some numbers, but slipped some days. But we are bang on target for 14-15.
So one more concern, since you're here, we might as well address that as well from the analyst community, is that there is quite a lot of debt on the books. Are you doing anything to address that bit?
I don't think so, because the debt equity ratio in the beginning of the year was around 1.49, and it will continue to be around 1.4 to 1.5. Though we are going for a huge expansion of more than 250 crores, you will find that all these expansions are being met with internal accruals. And for the information of the stakeholders, we have already come out of the forward booking for the US dollars, which has got over in October. So our cash position is strong, and we don't foresee any borrowings from outside to we have a robust growth plans.
Right, Mr. Kumar, thanks very much. Really appreciate it for clarifying that for us.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.